Hi, it's Darcy Loma, and we focus on creating high-performing people in teams. And one of the things we see is that organizations often have tremendous strategic plans. They've got strong leaders. They have good people in the right seats. And yet, they're still not flourishing and thriving as a team. Well, if you can relate to that, I'm going to tell you, you're not alone. We hear all the time about teams who are just not communicating well. The trust is broken. There is not strong accountability. There's not alignment. There is either dysfunctional or toxic conflict, or people struggle to say what they really feel and they sort of avoid talking about the elephant in the room, and there's post-meeting meetings instead of really healthy debate. Well, one thing we know is the secret sauce to your organization supercharging your success is to focus on your team dynamics and to do some intentional team development. Just like any sports team needs to train and practice as a team. You might have star players, but if you aren't training and practicing as a team, they're not going to win championships. It's the same thing, and it's what is often missed or neglected. So if you're curious, that's what our Team Dynamics Snapshot is designed to do, to give you a sense of where you're strong, where are there opportunities for growth, and what can you do to take your team to the next level. If you're curious, reach out. We'd love to talk with you.